Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
I am currently outside the Netaji Apparel Park in Tirupur, which is among the many industrial parks set up for the textile industry here. About 7.5 hours away from Chennai, this city in Tamil Nadu is known as the knitwear capital of India, accounting for 90% of textile exports in the country. However, due to the COVID-19 pandemic and subsequent lockdown, it faced losses starting from January up to the tune of 9,000 crores. Let's find out how this industry is now functioning under Unlock 1.0 and how long it will take to resume back to normalcy. Factories in Tirupur mostly make t-shirts which are exported to US, Australia and countries in Europe. Some of the prime brands which garments are exported to are Zara, Gap, Marco Polo, Tommy Hilfiger, H&M, Puma and many more. However, the cluster was affected January onwards due to coronavirus.
This corona issue got started in the month of December and we got known about it seriously since January onwards when it was epicentered at China. So we were looking at China that how they are managing it and how they are coping up with the new normal what have got over there. But we didn't expect that it will have such much of spread very quickly and it would collapse the entire global economic chain. So that was not expected by any one of us. But we were living with the corona since January, I would say, because the thing is that a lot of travel did happen between China and India. And even other
regarding exports?
Yeah, regarding exports, because normally there would be a lot of the product purchases did happen in China for India. So in that way,
raw material purchases you're talking about?
It's not the chemicals, because lot many trades. China is a hub for exports for anything and everything.
Sure.
So in that sense, a lot of connectivity and a lot of back and forth journey also did happen. But we didn't expect that this much of spread could happen in a short span. So when it all done in, when it got penetrated into Western zone, then only the seriousness has been understood by all of us. And thereby the Western world got jolted in the initial counts what it got reflected. So thereby the entire market got to stranded subsequently, and thereby Tirupur cluster, industrial cluster, which was so exposed to the Western market, caught unaware, I would say, because nobody has prepared and nobody has thought about it. And in unaware condition, we had to stop it. The goods which have left out in January, then subsequently February, and March, of course, all the goods have got stranded here only. So these three stage goods, Tirupur is roughly doing in this peak season, we would be doing around 2,750 crore to 3,000 month on month. Per month. So this entire goods of these 3 months thing, and subsequently the 4th month also, it's on shop floor. So all have got stranded, and the compounded figure is roughly it comes to around 9,000 crores.
The factories in Tirupur opened in early May, but in the months of the lockdown, some of them were producing PPE kits, goggles, gloves, masks and isolation gowns, which helped keep the factories up and running.
Initially, when the lockdown was happening itself, we knew that the PPEs, masks and everything would be in demand, and we had instructed them to switch over to manufacturing this, get the requisite certifications and start manufacturing. So initially 3-4 people started and then the rest followed, and like we had discussed with this, again raw materials had to be procured at certain places. We again tell them the protocols, we again give them the guidelines, and also for these factories there are a lot of soft loans as well, especially in the rural areas. The small industries, there is this TNRTP, Tamil Nadu Rural Transformation Project, which offers a lot of soft loans as well to promote cash inflows to them currently. Interest and longer repayment time. So these soft loans again enable them to again gives the much needed cash flow as well at the current time, and enables them to again get on track with their business.
One such company that had kept its business going was SCCM Garments, that produced more than 5 lakh PPE kits and masks during the lockdown months.
A substantial amount of workforce that we had with us, and we took care of them, and so we could use them promptly to manufacture these PPEs.
And where all did you then send these PPE kits to?
Those to the government of Tamil Nadu and the government of Kerala. What happened was we took upon ourselves to manufacture PPEs and masks.
Okay.
During
Tell us
the
actually more about that.
yeah, so that helped us to keep our workforce intact.
Now that the economy is opening up, Tirupur has also started functioning at its normal speed. But there are few challenges the industry is facing. The most important is workforce. In Tirupur, workers come from every part of India. However, after the lockdown, most of them have left for their homes.
We are witnessing after opening of the industry, we are witnessing exodus of migrants. So which is very detrimental for them first and then to the industry. I believe that roughly around 40 to 55,000 people would have left after this, the last 2 weeks or 3 weeks period.
Some of the migrant workers have started working after the factory is open.
সবাই ছিল না, আমাদের অসুবিধা হয়নি। রেশন থেকে চাল দিয়েছে, ডাল দিয়েছে, কোনো অসুবিধা হয়নি। কোম্পানি থেকে দিয়েছে।
এখনো টাকা দিয়েছিল। ও 700 টাকা পিস।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আমরা সবাই এখানে ভালো আছি। হ্যাঁ,
পেমেন্ট ওকে,
এখানে কোনো অসুবিধা নাই, কোনো কিছু নাই, আমরা এখানে ভালো আছি।
Sellers in Tirupur currently are facing challenges. The small-scale factories, which have both their factories and shops in Tirupur, say that sales are lagging behind.
Once we got stopped suddenly, and the entire market is not got opened even now, because malls are all yet to open. So just a ceremonial opening has happened, but not the full vibe has not picked up so far. So here also the resumption also is in such a phased manner only, because the thing is that we were permitted to open up 30%.
How much is sale happening right now?
Sale very down.
Very, very down. How many pieces do you sell a day?
ये break down after 20,000 one day.
The garment industry in Tirupur is trying to get back to normal. There is hope that if production continues without any hindrance and there are enough buyers and orders, in 3 to 6 months, the functioning will be back on track.
According to officials, the USP of the garment industry here in Tirupur is that today's worker is tomorrow's owner. However, due to the COVID-19 pandemic and the subsequent migrant exodus which followed after the lockdown, many returned to their hometowns in various parts of India. People from 29 states in India came here to work in Tirupur. One has to see whether they will return and resume business here in the garment factory in Tirupur, or if this will create a permanent impact on the knitwear capital of India. With Manisha Mondor, this is Revati Krishnan reporting from Tirupur for The Print.